The featured company is a paid client of Proactive Group Holdings, and this recording is disseminated by Proactive on its behalf.
You are seeing AI-powered robotics where that level of information processing allows robots to be autonomous or just have better mobility, navigating obstacles, and just being more effective in the field. And so I think it's just the beginning.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Aydin Kilic. He's CEO and President of HIVE Digital Technologies. Aydin, HIVE's been expanding its AI compute infrastructure globally. What made AMC Robotics the right partner for your first major move into AI-driven robotics?
So we've actually been growing our cloud business and our GPU offering over the last 3 years. So it's just where we're at in the industry, having recently announced a 2-year deal where we signed a $30 million total contract value for 504 Nvidia Blackwell GPUs, which add $15 million of annual run rate revenue to our existing 20. We've now scaled from 20 million to 35 million ARR effective this March. And so as the offering and sophistication of our service suite advances, it's partnering with companies like AMC that are at the cutting edge of their own sector, where what they're doing is having security robot dogs, but for practical industrial cases in security. And so what happens is the AMC's actually been test benching our GPU cluster for a few months now. And so things are at the point where we're really excited to take that next step forward. So their traditional business is security cameras for fall detection, where in seniors' homes, etc., stationary cameras would be able to determine if there's falls. But when you have moving cameras like on a robotic dog, and there's a link in the press release, I encourage you to check it out. Very cool. They were just at the Tokyo Security Show unveiling their technology. The processing of the video data is so much more complex because you have a camera that's moving. So the field of view is constantly morphing. So you need that AI GPU compute to effectively and quickly process all of the video information that the moving camera is seeing. And so it's really, I think we're seeing it a lot. You know, Jensen was talking about robotics a lot at Nvidia GTC last year. Elon, of course, is going heavy with Optimus, and you are seeing AI-powered robotics where that level of information processing allows robots to be autonomous or just have better mobility, navigating obstacles, and just being more effective in the field. And so I think it's just the beginning. So HIVE, as we've always been an innovative company, we see AMC doing great things. And so I think innovative companies with high performance work cultures just naturally click. And so that really is the precedent. And our tech stacks are very well aligned. We think it's going to be extremely exciting for both of us.
I mean, how does it fit into your broader strategy as you scale your global GPU AI cloud platform?
Well, we are scaling. So when we signed that $30 million contract for our Blackwells, those are in our partnership with Bell Canada, those are operating out of the Manitoba facility. Those GPUs are going to an AI client that wants that cluster for 2 years. And so they are really paying for the compute. We have a 2-year contract, and we're effectively providing GPUs as a service. In our advancement with AMC, because they have a specific use case, and as they're going from prototype to production and they ramp up their needs and they have consumer demand, we're working right with the end user who is having an industrial product that is relying on this compute. So what's incredibly exciting is the growth of AMC as they develop and build and improve more and more and more of their robot dog. They are going to need more and more GPU cloud, because the more products you have in the field that are using our AI cloud, the more compute demand, the more GPU. So it's actually very accretive for both of us. It's nice to have the fixed contracts as well. Sorry. Just it's nice to have the 2-year fixed contracts that the street likes to see. Okay, boom, you're at 35 million annual run rate revenue. We just, that's 70% growth over a 20 million where we just were. And so having those long-term contracts gives the street that stability, but also having the exciting growth in enterprise is also where I think there's a lot of upside in the year ahead.
I mean, looking ahead, what would success look like for this collaboration over the next couple of years?
I think success looks like they're signing commercial contracts for their. Keep in mind, their sister company is already doing 100 million a year of revenue as a private company, Candy Vision, and so they're well established. They've got a large network, and so I think success looks like their robot dogs getting mass produced, getting commercial contracts for security and logistics, and Hive and Buzz powering those dogs and bringing on more robotic dogs, I should say, with really with the camera vision. And so us being able to scale I mean, we're going to be building tier 3 data centers. 2026 is the year of Hive scaling its HPC revenue from 20 million to 225 million. So this is a 10x year of growth for us. We're well on our way with that announcement to 35 million ARR. And we have a couple more exciting deals that we'll announce, of course, as we track towards our year-end target. And I think that in addition to that, as we build our GPU footprint in more data centers across Canada, part of our sovereign compute strategy, as more of those GPU clusters come online, we're going to have more compute, and we're going to be able to service enterprise clients such as AMC. So I think that's what success is: a stronger footprint in the industry, really proven use cases, and meaningful tacit application of AI that is helping day-to-day businesses and individuals have a better quality of life.
Aydin, I hope you'll keep us updated with progress on that. Thank you so much for your time today.
You bet. Thank you, gentlemen. Always a pleasure.
That's Aydin Kilic, the President and CEO of HIVE Digital Technologies.
The featured company is a paid client of Proactive Group Holdings, and this recording is disseminated by Proactive on its behalf. It is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, an offer, or a solicitation to buy or sell any securities. Viewers should conduct their own research and consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. The views expressed are those of the speaker and do not necessarily reflect those of Proactive Group Holdings, trading as Proactive Investors or its affiliates. No responsibility is accepted for any loss arising from reliance on the information presented.